Massapequa, Long Island. Global warming at its best. That's what Washington's saying about the most snowfall it had since the 1800s. Here in New York, it's still snowing. 1 o'clock in the morning. Our payloader broke down. We're working these four-wheel drive little pickups on overtime. Got about 9 inches of the wet stuff. You guys know how hard that is to push. And with the payloader down, all we can do is chop at this stuff, try to shorten it down. We've been out since 8 o'clock in the morning. Now it's 1 o'clock in the morning. Gonna go all through the night. Catch up with you guys in a little bit.